We're back! Hello tubers. The Bristol Alignment Workshop's been a bit quiet this week. I'm afraid we've both been tied up with other commitments and projects. I've literally just come in here for 10 minutes and unfortunately no one's nicked it. So we're going to have to carry on with it. Hopefully it'll be next week when we've got a bit more time on hands. When I first got this bike, we did say we were going to strip it down, well, hack it up and turn it into a calf racer, but the more I work on this bike, especially with the engine stripped down and rebuilding stuff and really finding out what it's been like, we're not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it as it is, make it road worthy, and yeah, go from there. So there will be a few more extra videos, but don't worry, we've still got more products to be getting on with. We're definitely going to do a calf racer, going to drag an old motorcycle out from the back of the shop that we've had for a fair few years now. You'll wait till you do that one, and maybe a little vintage number at some point. So definitely watch this space and like and subscribe for all future endeavours. Both pipes, cool.